Now we will learn about the period and geographical events of Indus Valley Civilization. According to historian, the Indus Valley Civilization began in 2600 BCE. So, according to many historians, the famous Indus Valley Civilization began during the 2600 BCE. Excavation reveals that it spread over large parts of present day Pakistan and the parts of Punjab, Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, and Haryana in our country. So, according to different types of historians or archaeologists who had done the excavation, that means gone in different types of places, and by digging the ground they have found the different types of items which belong to the Indus Valley civilization, and they find out that the Indus Valley civilization was spread in the states of you can say especially present day Pakistan. The whole Pakistan was under the Indus Valley civilization, and from India, that is the states were Punjab, Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, and Haryana. So as you can see, these areas where these areas was under the Indus Valley civilization, so part of Pakistan, and these whole area which is at present is part of India belongs to the Indus Valley civilization. It even reached the modern day Balochistan, Afghanistan, and some parts of Central Asia and Iran. So it not only spread in Pakistan and some part of India, but also some of the areas of Balochistan, Afghanistan, and Central Asia and Iran. Some of the important sites of Indus Valley civilization are Mohenjo-daro, Harappa, Lothal, Kotdigi, Diji, Dholavira, which is in Gujarat, Ropar in Punjab, Kalibangan in Rajasthan, Sutka Gendor, Rakhi Garhi, and Amri in Pakistan. So these are the famous or important sites of Indus Valley civilization. Next, Indus cities and their feature. Why Indus city? Because Indus Valley civilization was uh, settled near the Indus river. That's why it is known as Indus city or Indus Valley civilization. Mohenjo-daro and Harappa were planned cities. So with the help of excavation, what we came to know? We came to know that Mohenjo-daro and Harappa, both the cities were planned cities. They had almost identical planning, layout, and construction technique. So during those time, the people belongs to the Indus Valley civilization. They started planning how to make a cities. Okay, from where the roads will be there. Okay, how a room will be made, or how there will be proper drainage system so that dirty waters can pass out from the house. So everything was planned by the people of Indus Valley civilization. They were probably the twin capitals. So we can say that the structure of Mohenjo-daro and the Harappan cities, they both were identical. So hence we can say that they both are twins capital. Another striking similarity was the pottery found in almost every city, that is, red pottery painted with design in black, also known as red and black ware. So, in the both the cities, different types of potteries were found. Okay, and both the potteries were of similar type. That means it is of red pottery. That means the pottery was of red color, and they were painted with different in different design with the help of black color. Thus these potteries are known as red and black ware. These and other artifacts such as the remain of the brick structure, that means the brick structure, that means in Hindi it is said as Ita. It was also same. Seals, that means different types of seals belongs to both the Mohenjo-daro and Harappa. They were also similar. Terracotta figurines, that means different types of statues which were found in the both the Harappan and in the Mohenjo-daro. They were of same figure, helps in constructing the lives of the people living in the Indus Valley civilization. So with the help of these items which we found in the Indus Valley civilization, we come to know what was the lifestyle of the people and how they used to live in their day-to-day life. Okay, as you can see in this picture, this is the ruins of the city of Mohenjo-daro. So in this way they have planned these cities, okay, and they have made a proper construction, but at present all these are destroyed. Why? We will learn about in the further videos, okay, in this chapter. So these were the structures through which they had made their cities, and hence we can see that both the Mohenjo-daro and the Harappa, they were planned cities. Good to know. Mohenjo-daro and Harappa are located in the Larkhana and Montgomery district of Pakistan's Sindh and Punjab provinces respectively. So both the cities are present in Pakistan. Mohenjo-daro means the mound of the death. So what does the word Mohenjo-daro means? It means the mound of the dead, and Harappa means the food of Lord Shiva. So this is the meaning of Mohenjo-daro and Harappa. Please remember it. It is very important.